You're going to love this video. I can tell you that much. In it, I'll show you a couple of websites that you can make you a ton of money quickly. There are no tricks, ifs, or buts. Just plain old money. Now you could believe that to make this work, you'll need to put in a ton of labor hours. But guess what? Everything that has to be done can be accomplished fast and easily. Even claiming 1 hour is a stretch. I'm telling you, this is truly wonderful method, and a lot of individuals are already extremely happy with how much money they are earning overall using this approach. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now that I've given you all the information you need to perform this successfully, you may get your hands on it. However, before we get started, let me first give you a little overview of its benefits. You read that correctly. You will never be asked to make any payments, investments, or other payments of any type because you won't have to spend any money at all to make this work. What do you then need? Bring out your device, any other devices you may have nearby, and then simply yourself. That's all there is to it. You can accomplish this effortlessly in the comfort of your own home by using any device. You won't need any kind of experience to succeed because the things you'll be doing are going to be so simple. Because everything is set up to precisely suit newbies like you. You don't even need to have any technical knowledge or any kind of proficiency in any sector. On top of all I just said, this method screams convenience like no other. This is due to the fact that it is accessible from everywhere on the planet's 7 continents. You may use this technique and turn it into your own money maker, whether you're relaxing on the white sands of Hawaii or sipping hot chocolate in Japan. Overall, the strategy is astounding, and the best part is that you will discover everything about it in this video right now, right here. Just remember to stick with me all the way to the conclusion, and as a friendly reminder, never skip ahead, because doing so could result in your failure and render this entire endeavor unsuccessful. Without further ado, let me introduce you to DollarClicks.com, the very first website for today's video. To give you a little history, DollarClicks is a modern rewards website where you can start making money online right now by trading in your thoughts for actual money. Given this, you presumably already know what you're going to do for the top website. You're entirely correct if you are thinking of surveys. On the DollarClicks platform, you may quickly and simply make large sums of money by completing a few surveys. I want you to scroll down to the section of the website's redeeming procedure right here on the main homepage. You can use your points to buy your preferred gift cards at any time, or you can request a transfer to your personal PayPal account. As it says right here, given this, it is truly astounding how they cater to your individual needs. You can opt to get the money directly through PayPal, perhaps the most user-friendly and dependable platform for money transfers. Or you can select to receive your earnings in the form of gift cards from a variety of international merchants like Amazon, Visa, and many others. You'll see how everything works when you scroll down to the bottom. They claim that you can quickly and easily earn rewards by buying, taking surveys, and completing offers. Signing up is the first step. Create an account for nothing at all. Step 2 is to finish survey. Additionally, you can experiment with more apps and games while getting paid for doing so. The third and last step is to pay out your rewards for gift cards, PayPal, and other items. So far, everything has sounded quite promising, right? That's only the beginning though. Let's scroll down a bit more, shall we? You may now access this crucial information that will undoubtedly convince you to sign up for this website near the bottom of the page. Get this. They have already attracted close to 300,000 subscribers from all around the world, and they've paid out more than $3 million to each and every one of their consumers. That's incredible, I tell you. And if you aren't already enthralled by it, this portion will do the trick. It's as if you were gazing through glass as you can see every action taking place. The live feed of the platform is available right now, so you can observe the members earning points in real time. Considering all of these incredible features, with that in mind, continue with the registration procedure by scrolling down up to the top of the page. There is no way you are leaving this website, as they want you to sign up right away. You can see the application form here. You only need to enter your first name, last name, email address twice, password twice, and username once into the form, which is rather straightforward. It's finished. Simply check the "I'm not a robot" box to complete the CAPTCHA. You can have your own account for DollarClicks, which only means one thing. You can now start your trip to effective money making. The next step is to tick this box to indicate that you agree to the terms and privacy policy by DollarClicks. Now let me move on to the second website for today's video, Honeygain.com. You have to work by completing surveys on the previous website, DollarClicks, right? You're going to fawn about Honeygain since it makes everything easy to do as you build a passive income stream that, when combined with the other website in this video, can bring in a total of $3,000 for you. You should now be aware that each of this website is accessible from any location and on any device. You're set to go if you're using a Windows computer, a Mac, and possibly an Android or iOS device. With Honeygain, it's simply to get passive income without sacrificing security. They guarantee that only dependable partners will use your internet traffic, and the software will never request or obtain access to your device's storage. I want you to continue scrolling down until you reach this section, which contains information about the elements that affects your income. Your location comes first. Your earnings are based on the volume of users in your area, as well as the traffic demand needed by our commercial clients. The quantity of IP addresses is the second. Your earning potential increases with the number of IP addresses your device is linked to, as does network ping or speed. Keep in mind that those criteria are not necessary at all, and you should aim for a speed more than 50 Mbps and a ping of less than 50 ms to find the sweet spot. Honeygain is only making recommendations to facilitate a smooth and structured workflow, but if you don't satisfy the requirements, for example, the network ping, you should be aware that it's not the end of the world. Even though it's a little bit more challenging, you can still navigate the website. However, Honeygain allows us the opportunity to walk through the complete procedure in these 5 easy steps. Set it up as the first step. Any Windows, Linux, Mac, or Android device with a reliable internet connection can be configured to run Honeygain. Next, launch Honeygain. When turned on, Honeygain safely distributes your internet connection, never being able to access your personal information. Step 3. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to compile online data that is readily accessible to the public. Help businesses at Step 4. Credible businesses utilize this information for web analytics, price comparison, and other confirmed commercial procedure. Step 5 is to simply receive payment. Users have the option of receiving rewards via PayPal and many other services in exchange for the traffic they share. It's that simple, right? Now let's move on to the final video website for today, Slidejoy.com. There isn't really a need for a detailed description of the previous website. You can start making money as quickly as snapping your fingers with only one slide from your lock screen. This is due to the fact that the program will turn your lock screen into an advertising space, and whenever you interact with your lock screen, Slidejoy allows you to make money. You may make a fortune out of nothing simply by utilizing your Android phone. That is the best that can be said, period. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.